It was such a good morning.
Yeah, that lighting just snapped for some reason.
Well, it just came out of its little holder, that's all.
Yeah.
So you just need somebody with a ladder.
I'm sure it's not that simple though. It looks like some fatigue metal or something there. Well.
Yep. Just gonna have to go find a host or somebody that has a large ladder and then start figuring it out.
Yeah, see where it's cracked out up there. It sounded like it was getting in a bind. Anyway, we were just saying how good you've had it.
In the middle of our repairs, people walked by and started talking about that. Then we ended up giving them a tour of the rig. That's how this goes.
All beside both beds are lots of water, areas, storage for clothes. TVs around the corner.
Okay, so we've determined that the little black cup that holds the awning.
This piece here.
Yep.
That it fits into has 3 screws in it, and they're not really screw holes, they're just kind of slotted, and the metal fatigue is broken around 2 of those, so I only have one of them that has a good bite. But I got the awning back into that sleeve, tighten them up best I can. I just don't have much of a grip there. So what I'm doing now is putting alcohol and cleaning that area best I can on both the sleeve and on the awning itself. Now what caused this to break, I think this got in a slight bind, and then that being older and fatigued, not much to it, all just gave way. This seems to be the motor side, not that side. So once I get this cleaned up, I think duct tape will stick to it good. I got some Gorilla tape, and I will go old school and
We'll just Dewey Howl it.
tape that really good and see if that gives it some extra support, and then see if we can reel it in. Now the good news is we've got an extended warranty on this thing, so bad news is getting it to a shop and getting someone to get the part and make the repair. But I think once we get this secured in here, it will do enough to get us down the road, and that's usually what you're looking for in repairs on the road. Nothing like a good roll of duct tape, and don't buy the cheap stuff. Okay, so we got our temporary repairs made. What I've done is climb up the ladder here, give you a little bit better view. I've duct taped all that's black right there, and done so as much as I can get away with to give that worn out socket that the long bar is secured to. It's a little little socket piece of metal it fits into with 3 screws and 3 grooves on those screws, and 2 of those grooves were fatigued and broken, so only 1 screw has got a good bite. So the duct tape is giving it some more strength. So with that said, we tested it and it worked.
It's going in.
And it's going in.
Bring it in
and I think before I ask Jill to bring it in some more, we're going to leave it in once we get it there.
All right, I'm going in.
All right, so go ahead and roll it in. And the duct tape is right to the edge of the awning, and it's working very well. I'm very pleased with my American ingenuity. There you go, and we're in like Flynn. So that was an emergency repair on the road, and the campground guys were nice enough to loan me a step ladder to get up here.
And it's not all rainbows and unicorns.
No, we
have a bad day.
Yeah, it's not all bad, and then that'll get us to the shop one day when we'll probably just not put the awning out, or if we do, we're really going to watch it. But that duct tape's strong. All right, thanks for watching. See you down the road.